Make sure to follow the instructions in the manual before using the brake release function. By pushing the emergency stop button, we ensure that the cobot is in motors off state. Once pushed, we also see that we are in emergency stop state. Tap brake release to go to the brake release menu. Here we find an overview of all the axes and brakes that can be released. And to the right, we see a GoFa 3D representation showing where the axes are located. Be careful and ensure to properly handle the release of an axis affected by gravity, since it could fall. Let's release axis 1 by toggling the switch to yes. We see that axis 1 is selected. In the next step, tap Request Brake Release. Now, we need to press and hold the enabling device within 30 seconds to release the brakes on axis 1. Once done, a click can be heard, which means that the brake is released and we can move the robot.